G'day viewers, I've got this at my grandpa's place. Little Chinese water pumps. They had designed to sit in the hull of a boat, and that just keeps the sump pump keeps the water level low. Keeps pumping the water out of the boat. Originally you had this, because these things just clip straight on and straight off, and lift this up. And these just clip off and you can put different fittings on there. It originally had this bloody filter on the main inline filter, which I didn't really need. I had this little one here, which screwed onto the end of the hose, which went to the bottom of a water tank, and the suction inlet here. Well, he was using this one. He used to, I think he using it to water trees on the other side of his backyard. He had it running day and night, so this when you change those buddy, get these off to clean them out. This top cover is so damn weak, it's all full of cracks. As a result, this had poor suction and it just kept getting air, so he ended up giving these to us. He gave us this one and a brand new one, which is in this box here. So I've got two identical units and nothing wrong with them. So I just took that off, put another adapter on here, straight onto a hose, and this thing works quite well. In there's a little adjuster, cuts out automatically. Alright, let's get the sink all plumbed up and plug it in and give it a test. Okay viewers, this is basically a 12 volt version. All this is a 240 volt version of one of these little 12 volt pumps. These are commonly used on quad bike mounted spray vents. They call them CDAX machines anyway, the American company I think that makes them. I had it on a pump before. There's a little swash plate mechanism in there. It pushes two little pistons up and down on a diaphragm into a valve assembly. It pushes water in here, sucks it in and goes out. These types of pumps can be run dry without damage. This is pretty much the same thing but before. You got one here, one here, one there, one there. So obviously it's a universal motor. This will also run on 12 volts, but being a 240 volt motor, it'll run very slowly, 12 volt DC. Alright, let's go get an extension cord and get it to the seat, because I can't find the hose to go on the outlet, so don't want to make too much of a mess. Okay, viewers, without that stupid bloody big filter housing on it, the performance of this pump really is not too bad at all. So let's turn it on. There's a cat over there. Hey, Charlotte. Power on. You can hear it. Little brush motor. Now it should self-prime. There you go. Air getting in there. So we'll take a bit to prime, but once it goes, she runs good. Sounds just like a 12 volt motor. Not bad. 4.5 gallons per minute, 17 litres per minute. 220 volt AC, runs okay in 240 volt. 0.4 amps max, 40 psi is calibrated, but we adjusted it and got more pressure out of it. Reasonably high quality plastic. Not bad for a Chinese unit. Look, I can't block that with my hand. Oh, yeah. I need a valve on that to show how this thing here works. When you block it completely, it will shut off completely like a household mains pressure pump will. Alright, I'll put a valve on that and demonstrate that. It's actually pretty good for its size. Okay viewers, there you go, tiniest leak. It will compensate and keep up like a household mains pressure pump will, as if it's got a bladder on it. That's how good the performance is. Not bad. It's just an old tap valve I've refurbished. The top of this top press was all worn out, so I got this off a bathroom tap and just tap that on there and squash it on with a hammer. Perfect. Better than throwing it away and getting a new one. Yeah, you can see that, compensating for the leak. Not bad at all. I'll switch it off before it jumps off the bench. Power off. There you go. Works quite well for its little small compact size. So that'll be enough for today, so thanks for watching.